Alright, hey there guys, we're going to look at the last couple of questions on the mock. So if I just open this up. Alright, so we were on question 7. And a video to watch about the Union Jack. And the first question is that we have to show that the total area of St. George's Cross is 800 centimeters squared. So basically we're after the area of this cross right here. So first things first, different ways you could approach this, but you do want to show your method, okay? So you can pick up marks in case you make any silly mistakes. So what quite a few of you did was to work out the total area. Total area equals 60 times 30, which equals 1800. Then, what I could do is I know that I do not want this area in here, okay? Or this one, or this one, okay? And we know that all of those areas are the same, okay? So, if we call that area of, I'm going to call it wasted space, and that's equal to 25 times 10 times, and there's 4 of them, and that equals 1,000. So the area of St. George's Cross is equal to total area minus the wasted space, which is equal to 800 as required. That's all you need to do, okay? You could work out the area of each little part, split this up into a compound shape. Personally, I want to find the quickest way to do this, which just seems to be the full thing minus these gaps, okay? So, diagram 2, this media is interactive. Using diagram 2, show that tan theta is equal to a half. So let me just click this. Okay. So we've got the little angle in here is theta. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got. First things first, I can see that from here to here is 25. We also have let's see, this is worth 1 mark, so it's got to be straightforward enough. So okay, so looking at the large triangle, okay? Bum, bum, bum. Okay, we have got tan of the theta. Tan of theta, and I'm pretty sure we have a little theta here, is equal to, so remembering tan, TOA, opposite, 30 over adjacent, tan over adjacent. So that's 30 over 60. So tan theta equals, just copy, paste, 1 over 2. Whoop, my bad. Okay, so that's the first part. Okay, 1 mark, so we're not looking for anything too crazy. We now have another interactive part. Okay, is that it? Okay, lovely. We are now after find the value of x to the nearest 1 decimal place. Okay, so I know this is 90 degrees. I know that tan theta is a half. Theta is equal to half, or 0.5. So that means theta is equal to, if I do the inverse tan of 0.5, that gives me what theta is. So theta is equal to, if you put that into your calculator, we should get 26.565, and that's degrees, okay? So I've got the angle. Do I know any other information about this? Let's have a look. Okay, so the distance from here to here is 6. Okay, the distance from here to here is 6. Okay, that is the same as that distance. So if this whole distance is 6, then this part of the triangle is 3. Okay? So if I've got this part, which is opposite the angle, I've got the hypotenuse, because it's opposite the right angle. I've got the opposite. I want to find the hypotenuse, so I'm going to use sine. So sine of the angle is equal to opposite, which is 3, over x. Okay? And I know what the angle is. The angle is 26.565. So x is equal to 3 divided by sine of 26.565. Now, I could have just typed that into my calculator. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, so everything's cleared. 3 divided by, and put some brackets in, sine of 26.565. And I get x is equal to 6.708. I want it to 1 decimal place, 6.7. Okay, now this is the type of question where you can pick up, it's 5 marks, you can pick up easily 3, even if you make mistakes along the way. You get marks, you get a mark for rounding at the very end, okay? Right. Moving on. Given that the area of the blue triangle, this one, T2, is 44, find the total area of the blue triangles in the Union Jack. So I want the area of all of these ones. So I know the area of this one is 44. There are 4 of them. So area of small blue is equal to 4 multiplied by 44. Nothing too crazy there. That is 176. And I need now to work out the area of the larger triangles, which of course there are 4 of them. So I know that this angle is the same as this one, 26.565. I know what x is. I just worked that out. That's 6.7. So I now know what the length B is, okay? So length B is equal to, well, it's the full thing, 25, take away 6.7, which I'm not going to try and do in my head and get wrong. 6.7, 18.3. Okay, so B is 18.3. What else do we know? I know this, I know the angle, I want the area. If I want that area, I would need either the height of the triangle or this length. No. Let's have a think. Could I... Oh. Okay, so yeah, if we have the height of this blue triangle T1, let's call this H. I can actually just move it over a little bit. Okay, so that's the height of the blue triangle, okay, just up to here. And what I'm going to do is I need to find the height of this blue triangle. As I know the base, half base times height, I'll have the area. So I'm going to use the sine rule to work out the height. Okay. Now I want B out to be 18.3, so I'm going to put that in as well, 18.3. And I know that this angle is 26.565. All right, so I'm going to use the sine rule. So I'm going to say H over, okay, I'm going to use the equation editor to make it look a bit nicer. Okay, so H divided by sine over the angle that we worked out, 26.565. It's going to equal, so this side over sine of this equals this side, 18.3. Divided by sine of this angle. Now this angle is 90, take away 26.565. Confirm. Okay, so I've inserted that in. Now what I'm going to try and do is, if I want to work out what H is, I need to multiply this side by sine 26.565. So I'm going to try and put this on the top here in one go. So 18.3 multiplied by sine of 26.565 equals, and then dividing by, I'm going to put some brackets in, sine of 90, take away 26.565. I can just hit enter, and I get H is equal to 9.14997 96, okay. So the area of T1 is equal to this 9.1499, so 1 multiplied by 18.3 divided by 2, 83.7. 223. So total area is equal to all of the small blue triangles, T2, so that's 176, plus 4 times all of this. So notice I've left this up, so I need to multiply that by 4. So I haven't lost any of my rounding. Add on 1, 7, not 177, 176. Total area is 510. To the nearest centimeter, it is 511. Okay. Now I'm just looking on the mark scheme. They actually have 512 as the answer. I think that's because they used 18.3. Okay. Well, they did use 18.3, but then 9 point. We used the whole value for H going forward. Okay, so this is, you would still get the correct answer. Okay, because it says in the mark scheme, their correct total rounded to the nearest centimeter. Okay, so as long as you round it correct, you will get the marks. So let me just pop as 510.889. Okay, so that's why we rounded up to 511. Sorry. All right, the last part. The blue triangles represent Scotland in the Union Jack. Determine the percentage of the area of the flag that is represented by Scotland. So again, total area is equal to, if I go back to the Union Jack, I think it was 60 by 30. Oops. 60 multiplied by 30, which is 1800. The percentage is equal to the total blue area divided by total area, and then of course multiplied by 100. So the percentage is total blue area, which we worked out to be 511, divided by 1800, multiplied by 100, and if we do that, 511 divided by 20%. Awesome. All right, so that's question 7. If you've got any questions on it, give me a shout, okay? I will upload this and then I'll come back and do question 8, okay? See you later.